Hey everybody, it's Mike Broadhurst with the Carolina Realty Group and the Prud'Homme team. It's Market Mondays and today's July 27th. Let's take a look at the numbers. New inventory continues to trend just as it has for the past several weeks. We had 42 properties come on the market this week compared to 32 last week and 50 this time last year. So that means we've had a decline of about 16%. Year to date, we've had 1,163 properties come on the market compared to 1,387 last year, and that's a big decrease of about 16% in new inventory. Again, we continue to track sales week over week, and the sales numbers are down compared to last year. This week we had 20 sales, last week 20 sales, but this time last year 27. Year to date, we've had 824 sales compared to 964 sales last year, and that's a decrease of about 14.5% in market activity. The number of properties under contract continue to trend up compared to last year, but down from last week. 43 properties went under contract this week in Bluffton compared to 59 last week and 31 last year. That's a 38% increase in market activity when it comes to properties under contract. Year to date, we're up by 2.32%. 1,057 properties have gone under contract this year compared to 1,033 last year. Real estate values continue to trend up just as they have from the beginning of the year. This week's numbers, $430,000 compared to about $547,000 last week. Last year, the number was $357,000. More importantly, our year-to-date averages are up over 12%. This year's average sales price, over $441,000. Last year, $391,000. Like our weekly numbers for average sales prices, we do tend to bounce around. This week, for cumulative days on market, 69 average days on market for properties that went under contract compared to 44 last week and 81 last year. If we look at year-to-date averages, 111 days compared to 114 for last year, just a slight change of over 2.63%. An interesting number that we're keeping track on are the number of sales year-to-date compared to last year. We are now just over 14% below last year's activity. And if you look back a few weeks ago, our number of sales were more in the 16, even 17% range. So slowly but surely those numbers are changing. And it'll be interesting to keep a note on that in the weeks ahead. I'm Mike Broadhurst. Give us a call, 843-837-7773. See you next week.